Greetings, Nanjing foreign language school educators. My name is Carolyn Gill, and I want to give you this quick 2-minute walkthrough of the Supersite in order to kind of guide you through what you're going to see when you log in. Once you receive the email from cgill2@vistahigherlearning.com, you can log in. You'll see all of your textbooks down the left-hand side of your page. You can click on any of the covers, and it'll take you into your landing page where you'll find a trial course already set up with some students, some activities due, and also some activities to grade. You are going to want to scroll up here to the top where you will be able to see the Content tab, which includes several important things, such as the activities for the program, your assessment. My content is content that you have created. We give you the ability to create activities, embed audio, embed video, kind of make the Supersite your own. Those would be contained here. All of your instructor resources, your teacher's edition, My Vocabulary, which is an excellent tool. Students can comprise their own vocabulary lists for as a study aid. The vText, which is the online version of the textbook, and the ebook, which is the downloadable version of the textbook, which can be accessed offline. You have a calendar, you have your gradebook, and you have various communication tools, including a forum where you can post questions and students can respond, and then, of course, announcements. If we go into activities, just to quickly show you what you will see when you log into a lesson, you will see the lesson, and you have thematic lessons, and then you have each strand of the lesson down the left-hand side with the contents for each particular strand. So in Contextos, we're in the vocabulary section, and here you have a variety of different activities. Note the iconography, cross-references, audio activities, instructor-graded activities, as well as partner and virtual chat activities. So there really are an abundance of opportunities for students to practice and fine-tune their communication skills outside of the classroom within the Supersite. So I'll leave it there. Please let me know if you have any questions about the Supersite or any issues logging in. And thank you for your consideration. I look forward to hearing.